up guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video we got a repeat customer. I'm working on this car right here. So the car's good, you know. This is the car I did the front, lower and upper control arms on the front. You know, he's back for a quick tune-up. Just do a little, knock out a quick oil change, air filter, spark plugs. I don't know why there's two oil filters here, but I guess we'll figure that out once we get under there. So this is gonna be my helper real quick, the 1/2-inch impact gun. I'm gonna take off this wheel. So you may be asking yourself, why the hell am I taking off the wheel if I'm gonna do a tune-up? Well, let me take off the wheel and I'll show you why. You know, just make life easier. All right, let's do it. So we now have the wheel off right here, as you can see. All right, so the reason I'm taking the wheel off right there is because of this. So this is the driver's side right here. This is a 6-cylinder 4.0. There you go, 4.0. And on the driver's side, the spark plugs seem to be easy. 1, 2, 3, no big deal. But on the passenger side, a little bit more. The intake air box is in the way. I'll take it off. I'm not sure yet. Depends on the mood. But that's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. So it's a little bit more tight for these hands right here. So if for whatever reason we have trouble getting them from there, I probably wouldn't have any trouble. But just in case, never know. And apparently I had like extra work of taking off the wheel, putting it back on. But if for whatever reason, oh, pimple there, jeez. For whatever reason I have trouble, I took off the wheel because of this. You guys can see. It's a straight shot right there for the spark plugs. As you can see right there. 1, 2, and 3. So for whatever reason I can't get it from the top, I would just go right here and go to town with this. So I could literally see the damn oil filter from here. That's cool. Not that it doesn't seem to be that hard. So let's get the oil off. Hopefully it's not too hot because the car just turned off right now. All right, so while the oil is draining, black as hell, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the, I'm gonna start with the spark plugs on this side. That way you'll get a head start over here. Do these. After that, probably take off the oil filter, then go ahead and do the other side and go from there. Oh yeah. All right, so we took off the first one, and it is this. So, there you go. Ooh. Yeah, that looks pretty old. Look at the tip. I feel like it's on the, I can focus here. Focus. Anyway, yeah, so that's the old one here. Don't need that anymore. It's hot still. And this is the new one. Bam. So, new. Oh, it's on to, I'm actually gonna gap this thing first. Go ahead and gap it. This spark plugs for this car goes gap to 54 millimeter. No, I don't know what it is. It's 54. Just keep that in mind. 54. All right, so it is around 54. It's actually 52, anywhere from 52 to 56. So we're about in that range. So this should be good. I'm gonna add some of this little thing, anti-seize, to the thread here, just so you won't have any trouble taking it off next time. And there it goes. Just brush it on real quick and it's good to go. Throw this back in, do the other two, get back to you. All right, so just finished replacing the last one on this side. These are the old ones. Yeah, this one's the back one here. It's pretty burnt. I did notice that there's a pretty good valve cover leak right there from the gasket, from the valve cover. I'll let them know. But for now, let's continue. Let's see. I'm gonna replace the oil filter right now. Before we go to the next side and bust out the spark plugs over there, replace those. So let's go ahead and replace the oil filter and the oil. That way we just have that passenger side spark plugs left. Oil this out, placed. Place the oil filter. Now time to drop in some oil. This one takes 5 quarts, so we should be good. Let that, get empty as can be. See if there's any leaks. No leaking. Let me get the creeper real quick. Make sure it's not leaking from anywhere. Alright, that's the drain plug right there. It's good and dry. No leaking from up there, the oil filter. Oh man, it's getting dark now. And there's an explanation for this real quick. There is an explanation. And the reason I have 2 pans here is because I had it originally here, but I realized that, where is it? It's actually, oh here it is. It's actually cracked right here. So it's slowly pouring out from there. So that's why I had to drop it back over here on this side, switch it over. But yeah, once we're done, we'll go ahead and throw this oil in that container right there and send it off for recycling. Now that the oil change is done, it's time for us to continue on the passenger side for the spark plug replacements over here on the passenger side. Let's go ahead and do that. So finally, let's put the wheel on, tighten it up. We finally finished replacing the spark plugs. Man, the passenger side ones, they were just old because they were pretty seized on it. Yeah, so these are the passenger side. They're a little rusty. Some of them are burned from the ends. They were just, yeah, they needed it. It was time. It was time for some replacements, for sure. Like that. And the driver side's over here. So with that, let's see what else. Last thing to do is, drop in that STP air filter over here to here. Time it goes up and then turn it on. See what it does. Hopefully it starts. Hopefully it runs right. We should be good. So let me button this up real quick and we'll pick it back up once we're ready to start it up. All right, car's down. Air filter replaced. Oil's in, check. Oil filter check. Drain plug check. New oil check. Spark plugs all checked. Time to turn it on. See what it does. Sounds good. Looks like it's good to go. Nice and smooth. No weird noises. Oil leaks. No leaks. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. Alright guys, it's the next day. We finished that the Explorer, the little quick tune-up on it. Everything was fine. Job well done. Now it's the weekend. So I thought I'd mix it up and, you know, show you guys, since, you know, we've been busy with this. There's always something to do. But just decided to take the day off today and just enjoy the weekend, just at least today. Probably not the whole weekend, but at least just for today. So I'm actually gonna head out to the beach right now. I'm actually gonna stop at the store to pick up a few things. After that, we'll head out to the beach. Let's go. Alright guys, so finally out of the beach, finally back home. Man, it was pretty hot today. Well, pretty sure I'm gonna have some sunburn for sure. I'll be feeling it later. But anyway, it was a good day. Had a lot of fun out on the beach. Never been to that particular beach before, so it was pretty good. It was pretty good, not gonna lie. And with that being said, this will be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Just something new. We got to work in the car. Did we enjoy, you know, the weekend on the beach? Got major sunburn on my shoulders. I feel it. It's a little. Yeah. Consider subscribing for future content. Smash that like button for this video, and follow us on Instagram, Los Maruderas. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.